How to understand whether there will be a level breakout or a rebound from the level? The booster bot will help me in this today, so I propose to look at its work together, how it will cope with such a task as a rebound or a level breakout, and I will also show you how to build levels correctly. Let's move on to the video. To start, I choose a pair that I will see good levels on right away. For example, on the British pound Canadian dollar, I see a good resistance level, a good support level. I understand it by these price touches. There was a reaction to this level all the time, so it's a good support level. I'm marking it. And now I need to see if it's going to bounce from this level or a breakout. And then I go into the bot's booster. I get a new signal. And I select the pair in question. The expiration time is 1 minute, and now the booster bot will tell me where to go on a breakout or a rebound. I get a signal to sell, which means that I will go in on the breakdown of this level. Although during this time the price has already made a correction, so you cannot do any analysis, or do a basic analysis in the form of levels, in the form of a good trend movement, to understand where the price is headed. In my case now the price was going up, but at some point it made a reversal, and the booster bot tells me how the price will continue to behave. And this deal closed in plus $760, but as you can see, this level even the price did not touch. $760 I earned, a great result. Australian and Canadian dollar, I see that there is a good level where the price constantly got a reaction, and I see exactly by these touches, the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, and now the fourth time the price came here. What will happen to the price? Let's ask the booster bot. I get a new signal. I choose AUD CAD, and the expiry time is 1 minute. I get a buy signal, so there will be a bounce from this level. Right here I go in to buy, and as you can see, this bounce has already started to happen, but the booster bot gave a signal to go up. It means that we will have a continuation of the movement. And as you can see, if you look at the history, this level has worked many times. First touch, second touch, third touch. You can look at the history, mark the levels where the price constantly reacted to any price range, and build your level from there. Great! This trade already brings me $880, and as you can see, this analysis has worked perfectly. So I advise you, in order to better trade with the booster bot, to mark support and resistance levels in advance. Support levels are at the bottom, resistance levels are above the price, so you will know in advance where the price will go, unlike the whole market. British pound, Swiss franc, there's a great level that the price has come to. How I determined that this is a good level? Just look at the close of these candlesticks. There's a reaction, there's a very tight price reaction, another reaction, another reaction. And now after a small breakdown, the price has entered this corridor again. And we need to understand how the price will behave further. It will impulsively go up, or it will bounce and turn from this support level. Let's ask the booster bot. British pound, Swiss franc. I get a new signal. I choose this pair, and the time for the deal is 1 minute. I get a buy signal. And I'm going to buy from there. This means that this level will support the price and the price will grow. Unfortunately, the booster made a mistake and I had a sharp impulsive breakdown of this support level, but let's do it again on the same pair, but I'll overlap my trade by $1,500. In case another breakout happens, I go back to the bot booster and click on get a new signal. I choose the same pair and the time for the deal is 1 minute. Buy signal again. I hope that the price will break this level now. So I go in right from here to buy $1,500. Unfortunately, the booster is wrong too. It's an artificial intelligence, and you have to realize that there are no instruments in the market. There are no tools that give you 100% confidence in a trade. But judging by this pattern, we can expect that now the price will break this level and go higher. And this deal closes at 0. There was a return. The price closed at the same price. It happens. It's normal. I just lacked literally a couple of seconds. But let's do it again for 1,500 and again on this pair. I get a new signal. I choose this trade pair, and the time for the deal is 1 minute. I get a buy signal again, and on the third try, I go in to buy right from here. As you can see, a very powerful level gave a good pullback from itself. And if I was trading by myself, I probably would not be able to handle this situation, but thanks to the booster bot, it is very easy to understand if the level will be broken or not. Great. This trade brings me already $1,270. Thus, $2,000 I easily earned with this bot. And as you can see, it is not a problem to analyze even heavy and complex levels with this bot. You just need to mark the level, and then, when the price just approaches this level, go to the bot's booster and ask it for the price direction. This way you will always know where the price is going to go. I will leave the link to this bot in the description and remind you that it works in Telegram. You do not need to register anything, do not specify your data, only you need a Telegram account. That's it, you can work with this bot. And also in the description and attached comment will be a link to the support account, where you will be answered to your any question. That's all I have for today. I wish you a huge profit.